Why does Survey Junkie ask for my ID? Hey there, welcome back to my channel. Today, we're tackling a question many of you have been asking: why does Survey Junkie ask for my ID? Well, it's all about ensuring a safe and reliable platform. Firstly, Survey Junkie uses ID verification to enhance security. By confirming your identity, they create a trustworthy environment for both users and the companies conducting surveys. This helps prevent fraudulent activities and ensures the integrity of the platform. Secondly, compliance is key. Survey platforms like Survey Junkie have to adhere to legal standards. ID verification helps them meet these requirements, ensuring surveys are conducted lawfully and ethically. Lastly, it's about fairness. By verifying IDs, Survey Junkie prevents users from creating multiple accounts. This not only maintains a level playing field for everyone but also safeguards the quality and reliability of the survey data. So, when Survey Junkie asks for your ID, remember, it's a step towards a more secure, compliant, and fair survey environment. Your privacy is a priority, and this measure is in place to protect you and the survey process. Also, Survey Junkie is rated an impressive 4.2 on Trustpilot. Trustpilot is a trusted review website that hosts reviews of businesses worldwide. This rating reflects the positive experiences of users like you, making Survey Junkie a reliable platform to share your opinions and earn cash instantly. Join the community today and be part of a platform that's trusted globally. Ready to turn your opinions into cash? Check out the link in the description or the comments section below and start making money as soon as tonight. Don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to see other members' payment proofs.